Once upon a time, in a vast and beautiful forest, lived two little birds named Chippy and Fluffy. They were the best of friends and did everything together. One day, they decided to fly to the other side of the forest, where they had heard there was a magical tree that granted wishes. Excitedly, they began their journey, singing, chatting along the way. As they flew, they met many other animals. First, they encountered a wise old owl perched on a branch. "Where are you two headed?" the owl asked. "We are going to find the magical tree that grant wishes," Chippy exclaimed. The owl smiled and said, "Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Be kind and help those in need along the way." Chippy and Fluffy nodded and continued their flight. Soon they saw a tiny squirrel struggling to gather a corn. Without hesitation, they swooped down and helped the squirrel collect its food. "Thank you, friend," the squirrel said. "If you ever needed help, just call for me." They flew on, feeling happy about their good deed. A little later, they spotted a butterfly caught in a spider's web. Fluffy carefully freed the butterfly, who fluttered its wing in gratitude. "You are very kind. If you ever need help, I will be there," the butterfly promised before flying away. As the day went on, they helped many more animals and made many new friends. Finally, they reached the other side of the forest and found the magical tree. It was tall and shimmering with a golden glow. The tree spoke to them. "You have shown kindness and made many friends on your journey. For this, I will grant you each one wish." Chippy and Fluffy looked at each other and knew what they wanted. Chippy spoke first. "I wish for the happiness of all the animals we met today." Fluffy added, "I wish for everyone in the forest to always have enough to eat." The tree glowed even brighter and granted their wishes. From that day on, the forest was filled with happiness and abundance. Chippy and Fluffy returned home feeling fulfilled and content. They realized that the journey and the friends they made along the way were the true magic, and so they lived happily ever after, spreading kindness and joy wherever they went. The moral of the story is the true magic in life lies in kindness and helping others.